Hello, welcome to the Tech Guy, and today I'll be showing you guys how to add music to your WhatsApp status. So this is a new update. So just try uploading, any media on your WhatsApp status. So there's a picture in here. You realize there is a music icon at the top. If you don't have the icon, meaning you have to update your WhatsApp. So tap on the icon, then tap on the search and search the particular music that you want. Okay. So search the particular music that you want. After you find the music, try playing it. After you're done with that, tap on arrow, the arrow button behind that particular music to proceed. Yeah. And in here, you have to select the portion of the music that you want or the part of the music that you want. So select the particular part that you want by, using your thumb to scroll. Yeah. So select the part that you want, then tap on the done. So after you're done with that, that's it. So that's how simple and easy it is to, add music to your WhatsApp status. So if you love this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, just to give a sweet comment. See you in the next video.